What? Donphan has a new form? Amazing. Alright, everyone. Tonight we're gonna draw Great Tusk. What? They updated his name? I never saw that. I always thought that this was Donphan's Scarlet and Violet's regional variant transformation. Looks like they have plans to increase the Pokédex's files. That's it! Now I get it. That explains the new names. And all the extra new characters. And the Pokemon with new names. The ones we know now with new names. They want to get the Pokédex's level to level 100. They want the Pokédex number to be level 1000. They want to get the Pokédex's number to level 1000. They probably want there to be 1000 Pokemon. They're probably going to do the same for Pokemon Legend Celebi. There he is. That's how you draw Iron Tusk. I can't believe the creators of Pokemon wanted to get there to be 1000 Pokemon for the Pokédex. Even though that's a really great idea, they shouldn't take their own characters, change their names, and even though they look like this, they should at least give it past form Donphan and future form Donphan, past form Volcarona and future form Volcarona, future form Hydreigon, future form past form Salamence, future form Tyranitar, and past form Amoonguss. That would have been a great idea. They don't have to rush. I know. It's true. Anyway, that's how you draw Great Tusk. Good night.